A certain rich man walked into a restaurant which wasn't busy. Only one table had customers. The smell of food filled the air, yet seats stayed empty. The owner stood behind the counter, watching people pass. Hungry faces, fast steps, no one bothered stopping. The rich man sat down and the waiter brought the menu to him. Before ordering, the rich man looked at the waiter calmly and said, "Tell me, why is your restaurant always this quiet?" The owner sighed when hearing this question and he said, "People don't have money anymore. Business is slow everywhere these days." The rich man smiled. He ordered a simple meal and ate in silence. When he was done, he called the owner closer. "Tomorrow," the rich man said, "put a sign outside your restaurant." The owner leaned back, eager to hear what the rich man meant. The rich man said, "Free lunch for everyone tomorrow and give free coffee from the day after till the week runs out." Here is what the rich man meant. He meant that if tomorrow was Wednesday, for example, give free lunch to everybody tomorrow being Wednesday, then a day after tomorrow being Thursday, give free coffee to everyone every morning till the week runs out. That is, from Thursday till Saturday, give free coffee to everybody. Then from Sunday, return back to normal operation. The owner looked confused and he said, "But why would I give food for free and even coffee?" The rich man stood up, paid, and said, "Tomorrow you are not selling free food, you are selling experience." Then he walked away. Just before we continue, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Encourage us to grow. We promise bringing value. So please hit the notification bell icon so you will be the first to know every day we post videos on our channel. Thank you. So the next day came. The sign was outside. Free lunch today. People stopped. People stared. People came in. Some people who came in before lunch started buying other things to keep their mouth busy so as to wait for the free lunch. They bought snacks, juice, and even drinks. They also bought bottled water. So as a result of the free lunch, in order not to lose so much, the owner also added little price increments to other items in the restaurant. Then while they sat and wait and eating the things they bought, they started asking him, "We are bored, do you have Wi-Fi in this restaurant?" Then the owner connected them. After 40 minutes, they paid for the Wi-Fi usage thereafter. That is, the first 40 minutes for using the Wi-Fi was free. Then after 40 minutes, they paid. That day, the owner couldn't believe his eyes. The restaurant was filled up. "This is unbelievable," he said. Sales tripled for that day. That is, sales was times 3. Customer tasted the food. They enjoyed the service. They felt welcome. They took some pictures. A lot of them told some of their friends. By evening, the restaurant felt alive again. The owner was even tired and smiling. The day after, the free coffee giveaway began, but the prices of other things in the restaurant remained same with the little increment of the previous day. From that day henceforth, something changed. People returned, not because it was free, but because they now trusted the value. After that week, the owner started hosting small parties in the restaurant, like birthday parties, get-together, giveaway, like other meetings also. That month, sales increased up to 5 times the previous month. The restaurant was no longer invisible. After some weeks, the rich man returned. He sat down again. The owner rushed over, excited. "It worked," the owner said. The rich man nodded in excitement and said, "You see, my friend," he said softly, "people don't buy what they don't know. They buy what they trust." So now let's break down these business lessons so you will understand. Businesses experience low sales because of certain reasons. So here are some of the reasons why businesses experience low sales. Nobody noticed them. They don't have any visibility. Therefore, no visibility translates into no sales. Number 2, no trust. People fear wasting money on unclear businesses. Number 3, weak first impression. Bad service kills future sales. Number 4, no reason to try. Customers need a push. They need something to motivate them to try your product or your services. Number 5, no word of mouth strategy. Silence kills businesses. Word of mouth is when people talk about your business to others. When you talk also about your business, when you speak about your business. Some people own businesses and they don't speak about their businesses. So no word of mouth strategy kills a business. Why the free strategy worked? It reduced customers' risk. Number 1, it created curiosity. Number 2, it built trust. Number 3, it generated traffic. Number 4, it triggered word of mouth. People were excited and told their friends. Their friends also told their own friends. This is how to use this strategy in any business. Give samples to people. Let people experience your value. Run limited free offers. Time bound, not permanent. Focus on first time buyers. Convert them into loyal customers. Deliver excellence experience. When you deliver excellence experience, free attracts, experience keeps. Then return to normal pricing confidently. Then the value you have offered to them will justify the prices. Now is how to increase sales long term. How to increase sales long time, not just short time. Long time sales here means people coming to buy from you frequently, from time to time, over and over again. Not just them buying for that period when you give free product and after they will not buy. No, long-term sales we are talking about here is them buying during the free sales period, and also after they continue to buy, you convert them, they become permanent customers. Now here are some of the steps you can use to improve long-term sales. Improve clarity of your offer. Let them know about your product and your offers. Improve customer experience. Treat customers like king. Let them experience the best out of your services. Build trust before selling. Let customers trust your product, then you sell to them. Give them reasons to try your product. They always need a push. People need something to motivate them to try your product. Focus on retention and not desperation. Focus on long-term retention of that customer and not just sales for that moment. The rich man didn't save the restaurant by selling free food. He saved it by removing fear. And that's the secret many businesses miss. Sometimes the fastest way to get paid is to let people test your value first. If this video changed how you see business, like this video. If you know a business struggling with sales, share this video with them. If you want more stories that teach money, power and strategy, subscribe now, because the next idea might be the one that fills your tables. But if you scroll away, you might not get to see our content again. Hit the notification button so that you will always know when we post our educative videos like this. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.